Hello there, let's unbox and set up this Ring Video Doorbell camera. Just make sure you have the same model as you can see here on the Amazon website. I have the Ring Video Doorbell 1080p. Just make sure you have the same one because Ring has different models, okay? So I will open up here and show what I have so you can compare it to yours. So basically here you have the Video Doorbell itself. Just remove from the box. And it also brings all the accessories that you need for installation. So basically here you have anchors and screws, the cable to charge the video doorbell. Here is a tool so you can install the video doorbell, and also here the instruction manual. Okay, so let me just put this apart for a while and talk about the video doorbell itself. So there we go, and you remove from the box. Here on the back you're gonna see this plate, and you're gonna use it for the installation. Basically you're going to remove the plate, use those holes here to screw onto a wall and put the video doorbell back into place, okay? So you just need to remove this plate. And there's also information here. There's some caution that you need to secure the camera later with the screw, okay? So make sure that you secure the camera later after the installation. So when you remove here, you see there's space for the screw, okay? 2 of them. So you need to secure the camera after installation. At first, they don't come with the screws there. So you can just remove the plate like this with your hands and you're good to go. As you can see here, you have the location here for the screws. You're gonna screw this into a wall and later you're gonna snap that there here, that way, okay? So that's the way to go. Here on the back, you see this orange button, so you can press to start the setup. This information doesn't come in the user manual, so that's why people are so confused about that, right? And you can also use here to connect the wires, if you have wires there. And here you're going to connect the cable to charge the video doorbell. You're gonna use this code as well to set up the camera using a cell phone. So just make sure you have everything ready for the setup with a cell phone. So talking about setup, let me just bring my cell phone here. There we go. So you basically need a cell phone here and an app to start installation. Okay, so here you're gonna look for the Ring app. So if you go to the store, of course, if you have an Android, it's different for you, but you need to go to the store and download the Ring Always Home app. I already have mine here, so I will click here, open. The first time that you install this app, you're gonna need to create an account if you don't have an account yet and set up your account and you're good to go. After that, you're gonna start the installation, okay, the setup, right? So to start the setup, just get your video doorbell here and press this orange button, okay? So we're gonna do this. Let me just move my cell phone here so I can see better. Then I'm going to click here and hold. And now I'm gonna see this blinking, okay? So it's basically blinking, waiting for the setup. Then you come here on your app, go down and click here, set up device. I'm going to set up a doorbell. So here I need to scan the QR code. I'm ready to scan. There we go. Remember that's the QR code that I have here on the back of the camera, of the video doorbell. I'm going to put it here and scan it. There we go. So here it shows my address because I already have an account here with other video doorbells and I have my address already. If you don't have yet, you're gonna insert your address, then hit here continue. And now you're gonna select a name for your video doorbell. In my case here, just front camera. And here's information about how to charge your video doorbell. Pretty easy, just need to connect USB cable. So pretty basic information there. And here's some caution about the screws, right? That's the one I was talking about. You just need to secure your video doorbell after the installation. You hit here, got it. more information about the screws. Okay, so I have found the secured screws. Already know how to do it. Just make sure that you have the correct one, otherwise you're gonna damage your video doorbell, right? Click here, continue. So you can remove the protective film here in front of the video doorbell. Let's just do this. Remove it here. There we go. Okay, I've removed the film. Now I need to insert the password for my Wi-Fi. Okay, your cell phone usually has the password for your Wi-Fi because it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. So you're going to use the same password that you use for your cell phone. So I have my password. Double click here, and I will allow the Bluetooth connection as well. Okay, got it. Click here, allow, and continue. I will skip this for now because it's related to the location. You can continue here. It's an extra step that I have to take, but I'll just skip for now. Now you need to get closer to your video doorbell. I'm pretty close here. I need to press the button on the back of the camera on the video doorbell. It shows here what I have to do. That's what I did already, right? I press the button at the beginning of the installation of the setup. So the lights is spinning white. Just make sure yours is spinning white like this. Click here. And now it's connecting to the Ring Doorbell.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Okay, start talking to me. Okay, so here's my network. Is this save the network that I have on my cell phone to connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, just make sure you have the 2.4 gigahertz network. It doesn't work with 5 gigahertz network. Sometimes your router has like two different bands, right? 5 gigahertz and 2.4. So just use the 2.4. Okay, and if you can't find your network, just need to refresh here. In my case, if I found the network here, that's the one that I have. Max 24 is my network, so I click on it.
To Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
And now it's going to connect to my Wi-Fi. There we go, it's connected to my Wi-Fi. I hit here, continue. Just a few extra steps, continue again.
This may take several minutes.
Now you need to install an update. Ask for it, right? And here I have a tutorial about the camera. So how you can use on the video doorbell, how you can charge it. You know, you can also share the device with families and friends. I'm gonna skip this for now. And also can add other products here, like this ring chime, for example. I'm gonna do this later in another video here. You can find the video here in the channel, but I'm not gonna do this right now. I would just skip for now. And also you can optimize your motion detection and things like that. If you wanna do this, you just click optimize now, and you're gonna set up the motion detection. I'm not gonna do this right now because I don't have the video doorbell installed, right? So I'll just skip for now. And skip it again. And just hit here, I'm done, okay? So good to go. I just put it here on the back. And here can also use the Ring Protected Plan if you want to sign in for the Protect Plan, so you can record into the Ring's cloud. Otherwise, you're gonna just see live video, not recorded videos, right? So I already have a plan there for my other camera that I have. And now installing an update here, okay? So this may take up to 15 minutes. And after it's done, the update, you're gonna see the image from your doorbell here, okay? So pretty easy like this. As you can see, I have another one back there, another video doorbell. That's why I have an account already. So that's the way you're gonna install and set up your video doorbell, your Ring video doorbell. I hope you like these videos. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.